Hello everyone, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome back to Weekly Market Watch, where I bring in highlights of the previous week and what to expect for the next one. So we've seen bulls have been roaring the index and we crossed the psychological 24,000 marks. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So Nifty has been driven by the heavyweights and we've seen buying across the board right from the start of the week. And there has been a good support base buying in the indices, a good recovery from the lower levels and hovering at the higher zones. Now some slight profit booking was seen towards the end of the week, that is on Friday, but then again the major trend is intact to positive. So one can play out this positive to range bound move with a support of 23,800 for the next leg of rally towards 24,200. Now talking about Bank Nifty, here also we've seen that the heavyweights have driven this rate sensitive index and major heavyweight private banks have driven this index above 53,000 levels. Now buy on decline to continue here, as well as there has been a good short covering move that has been seen here after a series of underperformance. So 52,000 would act as a make or break zone here, and one could buy with a support of 51,750 for an upside move towards 53,000 marks. Now stocks to keep on radar are of course from the banking space, which have been the star performers of the week. Adding to this is auto, especially two-wheeler space, and IT, especially the mid-cap names which are showing good strength at the higher zones. Also heavyweight pharma stocks are holding on to its gain, and last but not the least, infrastructure stocks are moving quite well. So watch out for this. This is it now. See you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.